Let's see. Ooh! Y'all know how I get down. Get the buffalo wings. I'm gonna need that. I hope they did. Ooh! That's what Bree got. Got her a nice steak with some mashed potatoes. That look good. Oh, they got breadsticks. Ooh!
And the ranch. Got all types of stuff over here.
Woo, that's my main course right here, though. Y'all ain't see the main course yet. This is an extreme mukbang. Y'all know anytime we do a mukbang, it's extreme. I gotta come extreme with it for y'all. I be ordering extra food just for y'all. I got this little fried chicken sandwich. I ain't know about that. Buttermilk fried chicken sandwich. So this all cost like $200. So I gotta do this mukbang, make this bread back for this food. Smart J. Make this bread back for this food. Still feeling sick? Bree gotta eat her food cause she feeling sick. Anyway. Where we starting, over here? Hold up. Amen, 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 amen. There you go, Bree. Enjoy, huh?
Thank you.
Yep. I got right into it first. She ain't even had to do it. My ketchup, y'all know I need my ketchup. Smash that like button right now, y'all. Let's get 20K likes. Uploading 3 times a day for y'all. It's super hard, but I'm doing it. I don't need y'all to do nothing but hit the like button. That's all y'all gotta do. I'm gonna do the hard work. Y'all do the easy work. Smash that shit right now. Woo! And my ketchup. Y'all know I love my catch. Y'all know I love my catch.
I hope this makes me feel better.
Mukbang with my ex. This is the life.
Idiot. Good? Yeah, you chewing hard.
I get right to it and I don't waste no time. I don't waste no time.
Could have been more rare.
Yeah, I ain't rare at all for real.
I gotta start saying medium rare, more on the rare side. You need to breathe.
Go ahead.
What?
Hold on, I gotta breathe. Go ahead. You need that first. I gotta breathe. I gotta breathe. I ain't breathed since I started.
What's this?
I ain't.
Whatever that is, it's good.
You like this new place? As y'all can see, we in a new location. We had left the that little bullshit spot we was at before. You know what I'm saying? We heard motherfuckers I'm here busting ass and everything. I'm like, hold up. You can hear the neighbors super easy. I said, oh nah. I don't want to hear y'all playing music. It's 8 in the morning. Y'all up playing music and shit. I said, oh, we gotta go.
And I was sick all night.
We gotta go. Yeah, she was sick.
So I woke up to that early.
Mm-hmm. 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 My too. It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright. Tastes good. Forget about these, y'all. We gonna get to these soon. We gonna get to these soon. So what you gonna do when I leave?
I don't know.
You gonna be sad?
Yeah.
You gonna whip me for how many days?
A lot.
It's gonna hit you.
So it's not gonna hit you?
I miss you.
It's not gonna hit you?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, alright. You go back to your whole life.
What is this? This a breadstick? Why does it look like that?
There's different types of bread. The butter's on the other side.
What's that fancy bread?
That's what I need in my stomach right now.
Woo! Got the ranch. Here we go. Let's try these buffalo wings. Let's see the wings hot. Let's see how they kicking, hitting. Let's see how they hitting.
Gotta slow down.
Oh my god. This is amazing. Swan sway. Swan sway.
Why are you always saying that? It's good? No, you need to wipe that now.
Woo! Listen, I'm a mukbanger now. Y'all know I'm a mukbanger. I've been doing nothing but mukbangs. So, your girlfriend text you today?
My girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who's my girlfriend?
Bree ain't tell y'all, did she?
What?
I found out she like girls.
Don't be an idiot.
You ain't tell him?
Who the heck is my girlfriend? The girl I picked up at the desk?
Nah, you're a Florida girl. Think I don't know about her?
Oop.
You thought I ain't know?
Nope.
What I do? What, did you text her today?
Yep.
See, I think Bree a good girl. Bree got hoes.
No, I don't.
Bree got the hoes like Santa Claus, y'all.
You be the one with hoes, not me.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you.
No.
You love ketchup. Breathe. Take a breath after that bite.
Okay, Mom.
Take a breath.
Listen, if y'all see this right now, comment below no bev. I'm gonna like your comment like before. Last time I said comment below no bev, y'all did it, and I was liking y'all comment. So do it again. I'm gonna do the same thing. If you see this, you gotta see this right now.
Bev.
So if you made it this far, I'm gonna know you made it this far. Comment below no bev. That's gonna mean you made it 10 minutes into the vid. That's
You
lit.
didn't even put lettuce in yours or nothing.
I'm gonna treat you special knowing that you watched it this long.
And I have a question. Why is the tomato green? I thought it was a pickle.
Is that a pickle?
No, it's a tomato. It's green. They have green tomatoes?
Ooh.
No, don't look fried hard to me. They gonna get us again. There's no microwave in here.
Like they don't take care of their chickens. I don't know if I want that. I'm almost full. My mukbangs be quick, y'all. I be eating my shit quick. I ain't done yet, though. Let me get some more steak, please. Please, friend. No. I want that. I want that way. Cut mine.
That's fat. That's why I didn't do it.
Oh, alright. Show them how you eat your steak. Why ain't you show them the color? Go ahead, show them.
Pink.
Show them. Yeah, you're close.
All pink. Nobody wants cooked steak.
See, we ain't really supposed to be eating steak, man. I gotta chill with all that. I'm about to start eating grass only.
Really?
Salad only because this meat stuff, we ain't supposed to be eating this shit, man. This shit ain't good. This ain't good for us at all.
We're carnivores.
You're a carnivore. I'm gonna turn into a vegetarian. Change my whole life around.
A carnivore just eats
I guarantee you when I become a vegetarian, my mind gonna be clear, like my brain gonna be clear. I'm probably gonna be seeing the future and shit. Like, I'm gonna become a vegetarian.
No, you're not.
Anybody a vegetarian or no? I'm on my Dora Explorer. Do you see the map? Like y'all can talk to me.
You're my son.
Point to the map.
You're my son.
I know.
Whatever's on TV making me sleepy. I think I need a nice power nap after I eat, and I should wake up feeling normal. Let the food sit and soak up all that alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm eating it. That's a nice red piece, you see it? That was a
If you
fail.
eating slow, I'm gonna eat for you.
I'm not eating slow. I'm trying to put heavy stuff in my stomach. I want that piece.
I didn't cut it for you, but go ahead.
Thanks.
What the hell?
Why are you so aggressive?
I always want to draw and shit.
I'm still
I know, it's
chewing.
gonna
I
make it-
have to breathe. You don't have to breathe when you eat.
What's up? What else? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got?
What is wrong with you? I'm full.
Woo! Let me take one more wing bite for y'all.
You're a waste.
Ew. Yeah, that's chicken. Say it's not eating it now.
Don't spit on camera. Let me see if it's black. No, just that part.
They gotta take care of their chickens. Like, say, I ain't eating no chickens. Like, come on now. That's why I eating this shit now.
That chicken had.
That was alive.
What?
This chicken, this was a live animal. He could have been a real nigga. His name could have been Johnny. Johnny, I'm sorry. There's a bunch of these niggas on here. It's probably Johnny, Max, the whole gang on here. Johnny, Max.
Come on, they're chickens.
Manuel.
They're chickens.
Matthew. They probably had a little female with them. Little Tatiana, they done chopped her all up too. They done chopped Becky all up there with Max and them. I said, I'm not eating, no, hell, I'm not eating that shit no more in my life. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll stick to my pretty cows.
Listen, these chickens was alive. They got a mom, they got a dad. They deserve to be alive right now.
Circle of life.
This ain't no circle of life.
Yeah, it is.
It's the wrong way of life.
No, it's not.
Ain't no circle of life. You can hear that bullshit all you want. We living life wrong. See, that's why I'm a vegetarian now. Fuck that. I'm a vegetarian now. I'm gonna eat this last bite of chicken.
Nope, you already said you're a vegetarian.
And I'm a vegetarian after this. Fuck that. I'm done.
We'll see.
I ain't got no bev, Cumberland, no bev.
You need one. Get a water. You need to wash that shit down.
Hopefully y'all enjoyed the mukbang with Rugrat, Jay, Rugrat Bree. I know y'all Rugrats too. Rugrat and then y'all name, boom.
I'm done.
Listen, stream my music on all platforms. Apple, Spotify, SoundCloud, bangers. I got hits. I got songs with over 1 million. Go stream it.
Thought you were a vegetarian after that bite.
After this. Go stream it.
And that's why no one becomes vegetarian. Because it's always after this one. After
Go
this
stream
one.
it, listen.
After this one.
Giveaway on Instagram, giveaway on Twitter. I'm tired of telling y'all the same shit. Come on, just start sending y'all money. DM me y'all Cash App on Twitter or Instagram. DM it to me. I'm gonna send y'all some bread. I ain't gonna see no money if I go to your page and you're not even following me. If you send me your Cash App and I see that you're not following me, you played yourself.
And don't just follow. Send the Cash App and then unfollow. Because we see that. Give me celery. Dang! Give me celery. Dip it.
Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, choo-choo train. What's this? I wish that was my what's the name? I go like just like this. Choo-choo train right to your mouth with it. With this little snake down here. Let's do an anaconda.
Let's go do it.
Not a little anaconda, it's a grown anaconda, you feel me? Alright, I'm out.
Ooh.
That was good. See y'all later, gang. Later.
Bye.